Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to add products to favorites in Temu. So this works only on the mobile version of the app of Temu, so you have to use your phone in order to add product to favorites in Temu. So the first step is to simply open the app and then choose your product. So I'm gonna go with musical instruments and I'm gonna go with this one here. Then what you'll have to do is simply scroll down and then you'll have to go to product details, as you can see. And as you can see, you have two different buttons. So you have the save button and the report button. Simply tap on save, and as you can see, save to wishlist. Now if you go back and then we go to you, so as you can see at the bottom of your screen you have the use section, so you have to simply tap on that, and as you can see you're gonna have a saved button. So let's scroll down, so let's go to our settings, and then here you should see your saved items. So you can see if you go under here you have wish list, so these items are saved by me and I can add as many as I want. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.